Despite the Madhya Pradesh government refusing to permit construction of a temple in the name of Mahatma Gandhi's killer Nathuram Godse, right-wing Hindu group Hindu Mahasabha has laid the foundation stone for the temple. The foundation stone was laid in Hindu Mahasabha's Daulatganj office. A statue has already been put up in the office of the group, to which floral tributes were paid today. The Hindu Mahasabha had earlier applied for land for a temple that they proposed to build in the name of Godse. The application for the land was rejected by the Gwalior district administration. The opposition is clearly seeing red as it holds protest. The Congress says that the party will move the High Court in a bid to press sedition charges against the Hindu Mahasabha.
I don't mind. I'm not really, I'm not concerned about that. As I have the right to worship my idols, I believe that they also have a right to worship those they idolize. This is a philosophy, this is a thought that honors and cherishes murderers, and so they practice the philosophy of murder and mayhem and terrorism. And so it is very natural that they would idolize and worship a murderer. And I think they have the right to do that.
हम लोगों ने बाकायदे ईमानदारी के साथ में उनके फांसी के बाद में ये मुहिम चलाई कि देश में गांधी को जो मारा, लोगों ने आवाज फैलाई गांधी को हत्या की, हत्या की हमने हत्या। भारत का आभार उतारन को श्री राम ने रावण मारा था, श्री राम ने रावण मारा था, श्री कृष्ण ने कंठ पछाड़ा था। भारत का आभार उतारन को श्री गोडसे ने गांधी को मारा था।
ग्वालियर में गोडसे, हत्यारे गोडसे की मूर्ति स्थापित करके महिमा मंडल करके पूजा अर्चना की गई। आज सभी मीडिया में, प्रमुख समाचार पत्रों में इतनी बड़ी शर्मनाक घटना हुई है और सरकार का इस घटना पे मौन रहना, मूक सहमति देना है, इसको समर्थन देना है इस घटना को, इसकी हम निंदा करते हैं और उन आरोपियों के खिलाफ राष्ट्रद्रोह का मुकदमा कायम हो, इसकी मांग को लेकर आज हम यहाँ हबीबगंज थाने में 0 पे कायमी के लिए अपनी मांग को लेकर यहाँ आए हैं।
देखिए, मैं सारी बातें सुन नहीं चुका हूँ, सुना नहीं है मैंने, लेकिन नए नए इशू देश भर चलते रहते हैं, कहाँ पे कौन क्या कहेगा, उसका हर चीज का जवाब मैंने नहीं देना चाहिए।
जब से बीजेपी केम टू पावर, shamelessly some of the BJP MPs even worshipping Nathuram Godse. It's a high time that BJP and RSS workers stop insulting the national icon, the father of the nation. You cannot worship Nathuram Godse by insulting the father of the nation.
You know, there's a slogan in Hindi which translates, it says, Gandhi, we are ashamed that your killers are alive today. Gandhi, hum sharminda hai, tere qatil zinda hai. And this is exactly what is happening. And today, if such glorification of the killer and the murderer of Gandhiji can happen, it is only for one reason, because they believe they have the patronage and the backing by those who are running India today.
Let's get a word from Hemendra Sharma, who's with us live this afternoon. Hemendra, any reaction coming in from the Chief Minister or his office?
Well, it's already been 24 hours since the foundation of this temple was laid in Gwalior by the Hindu Mahasabha. And in fact, the Chief Minister has so far not reacted. In fact, the opposition has also leveled serious direct allegations against the Chief Minister, saying that it is because of the tacit support of the Chief Minister that the Hindu Mahasabha has dared to lay a foundation stone of a temple in the name of the killer of the father of the nation. But the Chief Minister has so far stayed silent, and in fact his ministers and the spokespersons of BJP have spoken, which in a way points towards the tacit support of the government towards the Hindu Mahasabha. They are on record saying that it is the freedom of expression of these people, and also that in India temples of dacoits have been constructed, so there is nothing wrong in a temple being constructed in the name of Nathuram Godse.